Hey guys, what is up? It is your girl Simone, Sharice here. Today in this video, we are doing a new technique that I kind of figured out by an accident, okay? Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so that you never miss a video whenever I upload. Today in this video, I'm working with a company called WeQueen. So I want to test it out with this wig. Let's go straight into the unboxing. So we have our unit right here. You guys know I like to show you up close and personal. We have a headband. Then we have the care instructions. Oh, nice deep parting all the way back. This should be a good 6 inches. The knots are bleached. Okay. So I pre-plucked it to my liking because, again, I can tell you guys, I just need to do that. Okay, so we're going to be using the olive oil gel, and I have the green color. Now be careful with this, it can flake up, so do not put a lot of gel. You only want to put a little bit just to stick it down enough. Because I'm going to actually cut off some parts of the lace, specifically starting with the midsection, which I always do first. So you have these two here still. Open your gel. You're gonna need a blow dryer. All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit more. I'm gonna blow dry it to make it tacky. Now I'm gonna roll it forward. Gosh, I can't do anything with these long nails. Okay, so let's look up close at this. Not white, it's not flaky, and you can actually give it a nice little tug, and it's staying in place. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and just do the left side. But this part, I'm not gonna cut it. I know it's so weird that I literally cut only the middle part and gel and then go on from there, but I'm not going to cut the part by the ears because it's already a challenge to keep the part by the ears down. So for me, I just feel like it's so much easier if I can just use this little tab and just hold it in place so that it's not like, you know, not being held in place. And if you need more, like if you feel like it's dry and you're like, oh, I need a little bit more, go ahead and add more, but do a little bit at a time. Like I'm literally using that amount. Like this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the rest of the lace. What is on my hand? So far so good. Again, if I have any places that I didn't get to stick it down, like I didn't do the edge, I'm gonna go ahead and do the edge, and then I'm gonna hold it down with the comb as I blow dry. Take a scarf and just tie it down really tight. Ooh, look at that part, and it's not even a fake scalp. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. We're gonna do a zigzag part. I've been wanting to do that for a while. And then I'm gonna blow dry this and then hot comb this. liking this zigzag part. It's so cute. I'm gonna go ahead and take my scarf off and let's see what we're working with. Ooh, doesn't look too bad. Okay, we have to add more gel here. I always tell you the errors are always common annoying parts of any wig. All right, so next, I'm sorry, I'm doing baby hairs. And you do faux baby hairs by just combing the hair forward. You can cut them actually. I actually really like trying new products because it just helps sometimes, especially if you're not like, you know, it's just nice to know that you have other products besides GOT2B Glueless. What I want to do is for the sides, again, we're not doing baby hairs, but I do want to comb the hair out. I mean, brush the hair forward so that it kind of gives the illusion of baby hairs, but there's no baby hairs. You know what I'm saying? My end result. Honestly, I like the whole gel method, but if you're looking for longevity, like as far as will the wig last for a couple of days, I don't feel like it will be as strong enough. It definitely does hold the wig in place. It's just probably not going to be something that you can go to the gym in and sweat in, something that you can literally like you're gonna have to tie this down if you're going in the shower, if you're around steam, just because you don't want it to really loosen up. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, everything will be down below for you guys, and bye my loves. Mwah, mwah.